Hello student. So today we are going to discuss some maths. The maths are related with the probability. Okay. So you know about you got a little bit idea about the probability. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some maths which are related with the probability. Okay. So there are some maths are there. So I am going to discuss some that type of maths. Suppose one maths is given what a numbered cube has 6 sides. Okay. There is a cube which have 6 sides. That is a dice we are using to play the Ludo game. Okay, this is have 6 sides. The sides have the number 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 5. So what do you have to do? So the total number of sides, the total number of sides, the cube have how many sides? 6 sides are there. Okay, then what the sides have the number 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Therefore the numbers, how many, what are the numbers here? The sides have the numbers, the sides have the number, the numbers are what? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 5. The side have this number. Okay, then what we are asked, if the cube is thrown once, that is we have thrown a cube for a one time, then what is the probability of rolling an even number? Then what are the probability that you will get an even number when you throw the dice? Okay, so how many numbers? So total even numbers are there. What? A total even number. So here how many total even numbers? 2 is there, 4 is there and 6 is there. There are 2, 4 and 6. So how many even numbers are there? There are 3 even numbers. These are what? 2, 4 and 6. So 3. Okay. So we are also find the probability of getting an even number. Na? Therefore, probability of getting an even number. You know the formula, total outcome. The total event is what? 6. So here it will be 6. So total outcome, how many outcomes are there as a even number? 3. So 3 by 6 or 1 by 2, which is our required answer. Okay. So also we have asked in the above problem, what is the probability of throwing a number greater than 5? So the numbers are what? The numbers are what? The numbers are, we have the number what? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. The numbers are what? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. Now we have to see how many numbers are greater than 5. There are only 2 numbers are greater than 5 and these are 6 and 7. Therefore, the number greater than 5 equal to 6, 7. So how many numbers? The numbers, there are 2 numbers which are greater than 5. Okay. So we are also find the probability. Therefore, probability of getting number greater than 5 equal to total outcome is, total event is what? 6 events are there. So 2 is there. So it will be 1 by 3, which is our required answer. Okay. Next 3 number. A number have a cube, number cube has 6 sides. Also there is one cubes are given which has 6 sides. Okay. The sides have the number 6, 6. So the numbers are given what? This time also we have given a 6 side cube. So the numbers are what? 6, 6, then 5, 4, 2, 1. These are the numbers 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Then if the cube is thrown once, that is again you are throwing the cube for a one time. Then what is the probability of rolling the number 4 or the number 5? That is we are asked to find the probability of rolling the number 4 and number 5. So first we have to take as a what? Let A be the event of throwing number 4. Of throwing number 4. So how many 4s are there? There are only 1 4 are there. Okay. So probability of getting a number 4. Probability of getting a number 4 you can write, or you can simply write probability of A. It will be what? How many 4 are there? There are only 1 4, na? So 1, and total numbers are how many? Total number is 6. So 1 by 6. Okay. Then also, what is given? Probability of rolling a number 5. Let B be the event rolling a number 5. Now, how many numbers of 5 are there? There are only 1 5s are there, na? Therefore, probability of B equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So, see, here we have given that what is the probability of rolling the number 4 or the number 5. So, last class we discussed that about the AND rule and OR rule. So, here it is OR given, na? So, we are going to apply the OR rule. Okay. So, for the OR rule, see, that means P A union B, which is our required probability. P of A plus P of B. Okay. Or you will get 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. 1 plus 1, 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3, which is our required probability. Okay. So next 4 number, which is very important. If two normal dice are thrown together, what is the point of getting sum of 4? Okay. So this question is very important. So when we play Ludo game, okay, then what there? Suppose you throw 2 dice, okay. So not 1 die. If we throw 1 die, then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this time we are throwing 2 dice at the same time. When we are throwing 2 dice at the same time, then what will happen? One number may come 1, and the second die may become 1. First die may come 1, and second die may come 2, like that. When 2 die are thrown, then the total events are. So be careful when you write the total events. There is a systematic way. First see. First you write first die come 1 and in second die also come 1. Okay. Now fix the first die as a 1. Then the second die, first die come 1, second die will come 2. First die come 1, second die will come 3. First die come 1 and second die it will come 4. Similarly, this 1, 5 and this 1, 6. Okay. So when we fix the 1 for the first die, then we got the outcomes like that. Now we fix the 2 for the first dice. That means 2. First die come 2, second die come 1. Then again 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Now we are going to fix 3 in the first dice. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Now we are going to fix 4 in the first dice. That is 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Okay. Now we are going to fix 5 in the second dice. So 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. Okay. Now we are going to fix 6 in the first dice. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So these are the all possible events can become when we throw 2 dice. Okay. Now you may ask me the question, why I am not writing here 7, 1. See, in a dice, all of you played a Ludo, na? So in a dice there is number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. Not 7s are there. In Ludo we do not get 7. Okay, we get up to maximum 6. Okay, so I am writing up to 6. Okay, so now what we are asked? We are asked to find what? What is the probability of rolling what is the probability of getting sum of 4? Now we are asked to find the probability of getting sum of 4. So sum of 4 means what? Within bracket we have 2 numbers are there, na? So that 2 numbers sum is 4. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. It is not 4. Clearly you can see 1 plus 3 always we will get 4. Then 2 plus 2 you will get always 4. and 3 plus 1 you will get always 4. Therefore, the event where we get sum of 4, what are the events? 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1. So how many events are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 events are there. Okay. Now the required probability. Therefore, the required probability equal to, I am rubbing this. Therefore, the required probability will be what? Say probability of getting sum of sum of 4. Probability of getting sum of 4 equal to 3. There are 3 cases, and their total events are what? 36 events are there, because 6 into 6 we got 36 events. So if we count that all number, then you will get 36. So 3 by 36 equal to what? You will get 1 by 12, which is our required answer. Okay. Next time we are asked, if two dice are thrown together, what is the probability of getting sum of 6? So when we throw a dice, the number where we get the sum of 6 equal to what? 1, 5. In 1, 5, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Then 2, 4, 2 plus 4 equal to 6 also. Then 3, 3, 3 plus 3 equal to also 6. Then 4, 2, 4 plus 2 equal to also 6. And 5, 1, which is also equal to 6. If we do the sum of these two numbers, 1 plus 5 equal to 6, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, and 5 plus 1 equal to 6. That is, to get the sum of 4, we will get this event. How many events? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 events. So how many events we have got? 5 events. Therefore, required probability of getting sum of 6 equal to 5 by 36. You cannot cancel them, so keep this like that. Okay. Next we have given, if two dice are thrown together, what is sum of 7? So for the sum of 7, how many cases are there? 1, 6, then 2, 5, then 3, 4, and next we have 4, 3, and 5, 2, and 6, 1. So in this way, how many events? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of getting sum of 7, this will be 6 by 36 equal to 1 by 6, which is our required answer. Okay. So in this way, we have to do the maths when we are explain about two dice. Okay. Next we have, see, now we are giving some maths like which are related with the coins. Okay. So when we toss a coin, so what we will get when we toss a coin? Suppose we have toss a coin, you get first head or you get tails. When we toss one coin, there are two possible outcomes. One is head and one is tail. So total events are, how many events are there total? 2 events. So getting of head equal to 1 by 2 or getting of tail equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now this time it is said what? If a coin is thrown twice, that means when you throw a coin 2 times, then what are the possible outcomes? Okay. See here, when a coin is thrown 2 times, when a coin is tossed twice, when a coin is tossed twice, so first outcome may be what? Head, head. In the first outcome will be what? Head, head. Okay. Or simply you can write like that, head, head, the first outcome. Then first coin may be head and second coin may be tail. Then what will happen? First coin may be tail. Suppose both coin may be tail, and secondly what? First coin tail and second coin heads. Okay. Be careful that no term should be repeated. See, here it is head, head, it is head, tail, it is tail, tail, it is tail, head. Okay. No one is repeated. Na? So how many total cases are there? The total case is what? Here total case equal to 4. Okay. So we are asked, what is the probability of getting a tails on both occasions? So in which case you are getting tails to the both side? Obviously, in that occasion you are getting tail in the both na. So probability of getting tail on both occasion, obviously we are getting tail for on one time, so and total number is what, 4, so 1 by 4, which is our required answer. Okay, next what is given, if a one letter is chosen at random from the word adventure, what is the probability that the letter chosen is the letter D or V? Okay, so we are asked to find the probability of letter chosen D or V. So first you have to write, say okay, in this word adventure, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, first we have to write total how many letters are there. So total number of letters. Total number of letters 9. Okay, now we are asked to find the probability, and the probability is about what? It is about what is the probability of the letter chosen is the letter D or V. So how many D letters are there? The number of D letters. How many D's are there? Only one D is there, na? So 1. Okay, so how many letters of D here? Here it is 1 D. Then probability of, we have to say, let A be the event of getting D. Okay, therefore probability of A equal to what? It will be 1 by 9. Okay, same way, how many we are again asked to what is the probability of choosing E or V also. So the number V letters, this time we have to see how many V are there. It is there na? So how many V is there? There is only one V is there. Okay, adventure. So we got also one V. So number of V letters equal to 1. So this time we have to choose as a B we have to take. Okay, because first time we take as a. So let B be the event of getting B. Okay, so probability of B equal to, the probability of B equal to what? This will be like 1 by 9. Okay, now we are asked what is the probability of choosing both, choosing the letter D or V. That means we have to apply the OR rules. Okay, so OR means what? A union B na. So be careful because this is a mutually exclusive. Okay, so as it is mutually exclusive, so there is not any common. Okay, so directly probability of A union B equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Take the LCM. 1 plus 1, 2 by 9, which is our required answer. So in this way we have to do the all remaining maths. Okay, so next there is another maths are there. See what is given. There is a bag, okay, which contain 2 red marbles. Red marbles number is what? 2 red marbles are there. Okay, then what is given? 2 red marbles. Wait, let me see. The bag contains 2 red marbles. Blue marbles number is what? The blue marbles number is equal to 9. Then purple marbles. Purple marbles number is equal to 10. Okay, sorry, 18. This is 18. Purple number marble is, sorry, purple number is 10. Sorry. And the green marble is about 18 numbers of green marbles. Okay, then what will happen? So 18 numbers of green marbles, and lastly we have yellow marbles. So yellow marbles, how many yellow marbles are there? The number of yellow marble is 7. Okay, so now we have to count how many total marbles. So total marbles equal to 46. We have 46 total marbles. So now we are going to discuss question number 15, which is given when marble is drawn. Suppose you draw a marble, okay, and the what? And put inside again. You draw the marble, also you put inside to the bag, okay. Then second time you draw another marble. That what is the probability that this marble will be blue? As you first draw the marble, also you put inside to the bag, so total numbers of marble will always remain same, which is 46. Also in case of numbers, colors of the marble, this will also remain same. So probability of getting blue marble equal to the probability of getting blue marble equal to what? This will be, blue marble is what? 9 by 46. Why it is remain same? Because first case we have take the marble, then again we keep inside the bag. So total number of marble, there is not any changes. Okay. Then what happened? 16 number, when the marble is not replaced. Suppose you draw the marble, okay, then you have not replaced the marble. So when the marble is not replaced, so total number of marble will be what? The number of marble will be 46 minus 1 equal to 45. As you have not replaced the marble, so one marble will be less, so total number of marble will be what? 46 minus 1 equal to 45. Okay, now we are asked what is the probability that at an event they're getting a blue marble. So first we got the blue marble as a 9 by 46. We take this as a number. For the 16 number answer, I have taken this as a okay, so it is as a probability of A. As the marble is not returned, now the total number of marble become 45. Suppose the drawing marble is blue, na? So how many marbles will left? That is how many blue marbles will be left? It will be 8. Why it will be left 8 marbles? Because one blue marble already drawn, okay, and it is not replaced. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So we are also find let the marble is not returned, then number of total marble will be 45. So let B be the event of getting a blue marble. We have taken B be the event of getting a blue marble. So for the first time we got 9 by 46. When the marble is not returned, total number of marble become 46 minus 1, 45. And say the first drawing marble is blue, so blue marble will remain as a 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So when you next time you are going to draw the blue marble, suppose this case is considered as a probability of B, that time total marble will be what? 45, because one marble already taken. Then blue marble number is what? 8. So 8 by 45. Okay. So now the required probability will be what? We are asked as a AND, that is we have to apply the AND rule. So probability of A intersection B, AND rule, okay. So it will be what? P of A into P of B. That means 9 by 46 into 8 by 45. And by doing the calculation, you will get 4 by 115. So now you clear that when the marble is not returned, the total number remain 46 minus 1 equal to 45, because for the first time we have drawn a marble and that marble is not returned, so total number of marble will be less. But also for the first time what the marble is drawing, that the marble will consider as a blue marble. So blue marble number earlier it was 9, now it is become 9 minus 1, 8. So we have got the probability of B as a 8 by 45. Now we are asked to find the probability of drawing AND rule by applying the AND rule. That's why P of A into P of B. Okay. So that in this way we have to do the all maths. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Thanks. That's all for today. Okay, thank you.